So before we get started, I want to get into what the bags come in. So all of the bags that I purchased come in the Blackwood white box. And of course the purses came in a bag like this with a note that says, thank you for your purchase, love, BB. So that's what it looks like. First bag we're going to talk about is the Nia bag that I purchased for $4.25. This bag is a part of the fall 2022 collection that came out, I want to say October 17th or something around that time frame, and I will insert a clip of the bag here. The bag has silver embellishments and it has pony hair. And the thing I really like about this bag is that on the back they made it to in the material of leather, just because I have another bag and I have already kind of rubbed off some pony hair on that bag. So I like how they made the bag already with that different material. There is a lot of space in it. I don't carry a lot of stuff in my bag, so if you are one of those sort of people who kind of overstuff your bags, I don't think the bags that I have today are for you. So you will have to keep it very limited with what you put in your bags, but there's still a lot of room. The next bag is the Arlen bag, and it also has silver embellishments on there. I purchased this bag, I believe, for $2.50. It is the metallic green cracked leather bag, and it is also a part of the fall 2022 collection that also came out in October. I like this bag, I really do. The only thing that I would say is that it's very hard to, or it was very hard for me to clip on the hooks to the actual bag to put the strap onto it. But other than that, I love the bags, I love the color. I can also put all of my items in that bag. I have not worn the Nia bag yet. I will be wearing it today with this outfit. I will wear it with some black pants, black boots. I wanted to add a pop of color and then a different design, so that cow print is a design that I want to bring to the outfit today. But when it comes to the Arlen bag, I have worn that bag with a graphic tee that has some, like, you know, green in it, and that's how I kind of tied it together. I really like it. It's cute. It's fun. If I was going to purchase Brendan Blackwood bags, I wasn't going to go safe. So I wasn't going to get, you know, a black bag or a white bag. All of his bags are gorgeous and wonderful, but if I'm going to spend that amount of money, it's going to have to be unique and different. So that's why I went for the cow print, and that's why I went for the, like, really loud green metallic color. The last bag I'm going to be talking about is going to be the trunk bag. So y'all listen to the story. So I don't even really like trunk bags, but the only trunk bag that I like is the peanut butter cow print. It is not called peanut butter, but it gives me peanut butter vibes. So that's why I really like fell in love with it, because that color just screams peanut butter and just richness. It just really just screams that for me. So that's the one thing I would say about the Blackwood bag, when it comes to pony hair, y'all, you have to be gentle with the pony hair. I've never had a pony hair bag, so I thought that, you know, I could be out in the wind doing whatever. I wore my peanut butter trunk bag, and I've already kind of balled it in one spot. So just be very gentle with your pony hair bag. That's not an everyday bag. Don't wear harsh materials with it. Just be very careful and be very mindful if you're going to wear that. I want to elevate my style because I don't know, this is me trying to explore different colors, different textures, and just kind of pushing the envelope. So what I'm wearing today, y'all, this is me pushing the envelope because I tend to dress very boring. So you're going to see me this winter in spring, and honestly moving forward, just putting colors together and textures together just because I want to have fun. And I also was telling someone the other day that I am not going to keep to the maroons and blacks for the season. You're going to see me in metallic greens, you're going to see me in cow print, you're going to see me in just colors, because I'm just not feeling the dark colors for the winter time. So I'll be in hot pink with my cow print. I will be in Kelly green with my cow print. I am not going to let the winter time stop me from putting some color out there. Thank you guys for watching my video. Let me know what bags you got from the fall collection, and even like your past bags. And let me know what you would put with the Nia bag and the cow print, because I'm new to this. So I'm also very interested in how you would style that up. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and leave comments. I really do want to talk about fashion with you guys, okay? Have a good day. Bye.